Welcome to my honest review of IMS, a website dedicated to helping people tackle hair loss, including alopecia. If you're struggling with thinning hair or hair loss, you've probably heard of IMS, and today, I'll be going through everything you need to know about the site, its products, and my personal experience using it. First off, IMS is a telemedicine platform that offers a range of treatments for hair loss, including prescription medications like finasteride and minoxidil, which are commonly used for treating male pattern baldness and other forms of alopecia. The site is designed to make it easy for users to access these treatments, which are usually only available through a doctor's visit, all from the comfort of your home. Navigating the site is fairly simple. IMS offers an easy sign-up process where you complete a brief health questionnaire. Based on your answers, you're matched with a licensed healthcare professional who can prescribe the appropriate treatment. For people dealing with male pattern baldness, this could be a game changer, as it allows you to skip the long waits at the doctor's office and get the treatment you need faster. The website also features a variety of hair care products such as shampoos and conditioners, along with vitamins and supplements designed to promote hair growth. While I appreciate the convenience and variety offered, the prices can feel a bit steep compared to over-the-counter options. However, the convenience of having everything you need in one place, and the professional consultation, could make it worthwhile for some. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. IMS also offers a subscription service, so you can have your medications delivered directly to your door. This is incredibly convenient, but it also means you're tied into a recurring cost, which is something to consider. In terms of effectiveness, I've noticed gradual improvement in hair thickness, though it does take time. It's important to note that results may vary, and for some people, the treatments may not be as effective. Overall, IMS is a solid option if you're looking for a straightforward and accessible way to treat hair loss. The professional consultation is a big plus, and the range of products can be helpful for maintaining hair health. However, it's important to keep in mind that while IMS offers convenience, the costs can add up over time, and the results may vary. If you're thinking about trying it, I'd recommend considering your budget and being patient with the process, as hair regrowth takes time. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thank you for watching.